as an MLA, what do you have to say about so much of situation?
It shouldn't have happened. It is sending wrong signals all across the world and internationally, where people have seen the video on social media. की अशें जावंक बानासलें म्हणजे it is not good, not in good taste. At the same time, some information had gone in a wrong manner. Information जे सगळ्या कमिटींक पावले all over Goa had gone in a wrong manner. म्हणजे काडटा म्हणून स्टॅच्यू काडटा म्हणून म्हाका दिसता खंयसरूच कोणें म्हणूंक ना आनी ते बरे भशेन जावपाक जाय इन अ नायस वे आनी गडबडान तो घालपाची गरज नासली आनी म्हाका दिसता जो जागो घातला थिंगा कोणाचेंच ऑब्जेक्शन नासलें
पयलीं आहलो पळय तो
हय कोणाचेंच ऑब्जेक्शन नासलें इवन आमचें ऑब्जेक्शन नासलें आमी कित्याक ऑब्जेक्ट करतले वी वील नेवर ऑब्जेक्ट वॉट द पीपल वॉन्ट what our youth want, what the people of Kalamut constituency want, you wouldn't have objected. So, I mean, Ronaldo statue gatlo. It was not on the road. It was between two roads where
there's a divider.
After the divider, there is a space, open space between two roads. The statue was installed. कोणाचेच ऑब्जेक्शन नासलें at the same way here no objection was there but unnecessary this such a big issue became and it became a national story and some people took it in a wrong direction तशें जावंक जायना कित्याक आमी सगळे गोंयान एकवटान रावता we stay Goa is a very peaceful state and we stay in peace and harmony and ह्या peace and harmony सदांच उरपाक जाय.
But do you think that place is appropriate where they have installed it?
See that they have installed on their own. So the PWD was required and traffic cell. The statue was just behind. They had installed in the private property. If that area had to be slightly made bigger by removing one stall from behind.
So could have developed it in a better way.
It could come in front also, more in front. It was that ideal place.
Instead of on the roundabout.
No, means the vision of the vehicle when it is going is getting blocked. And I think PWD requires to do some work on that now. Whether they are speed breakers, whether they are roundabout or do a proper planning. Now there are two circles over there. One circle is behind and one circle where the statue is installed. And I feel that PWD and traffic cell will work on it. काम करचें पडटलें थिंगा सारकें करपाक म्हणजे सर्कल सारको करपाक खंय आनीक वायडनींग करूंक जाय जाल्यार करचें पडटलें आनी स्मूथ ट्रॅफिक फ्लो जावपा खातीर एक रोड पुलीस स्टेशनाक वयता तो अप टू सालिगांव आनी एक रोड कलांगूट पुलीस स्टेशनाक वचून कलांगूट येता पळय तो म्हणजे खंय आनीक सर्कल सारकें करपाक वायडनींग करपाक जें कितें करूंक जाय तें करचें पडटलें.